Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Karina's Kitchen. Today I will be showing you guys how to do authentic Mexican rice. For this recipe you will need 2 tomatoes, 4 layers of a medium white onion, 1 garlic, 2 tablespoons of tomato seasoning, 2.5 ounces of oil, and 4 cups of water since we will be doing 2 cups of rice. So let's get started with the tomato sauce. Let's go ahead and cut our tomatoes in half and put it in the blender. Let's go ahead and add our onion, our garlic, and our 2 tablespoons of tomato seasoning. Let's add our water. Remember, 4 cups since we're doing 2 cups of rice. Okay, let's go ahead and blend all of this. Blend it until everything is really mixed well. Now that our oil is hot and ready, let's go ahead and throw in our rice. We're going to go ahead and stir it until it is golden brown. Okay, so as soon as you see it turning golden brown, you can add your tomato sauce. I will go ahead and blend it one more time quickly. We'll add our 4 cups of tomatoes. Okay, I will be adding mixed vegetables. This is optional, you don't have to. Let's go ahead and give this a stir. Let it come to a boil. Now that it has come up to a boil, we're going to cover it with the lid and bring the settings to medium-low heat. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, this is how it should look. Perfect. Yummy. Okay. If you guys found my recipe helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions or any recipes you guys would like me to show you guys, please drop it down in the comments below. Subscribe for more recipes. See you guys on the next one.